Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Rockwood Geo Pro. It's a lightweight travel trailer designed with the environmentally conscious driver in mind, meaning that the manufacturer intended these trailers to be pulled by crossovers or small SUVs. They range in weight from around 1,200 pounds to about 3,200 pounds and vary in length from as short as 11.5 foot to 20 foot. Even though they are smaller travel trailers, GeoPro still utilize the Rockwood family of travel trailers' excellent construction process. This includes Dexter torsion axles with independent wheel suspension, self-adjusting brakes, and easy lube axles. This creates a smoother ride with less maintenance and comes backed by a 10-year limited warranty. Another example of quality construction is the amount of aluminum in this RV. Not only do you have a 6-sided aluminum cage, but the dinette bases and bed bases are framed in aluminum as well. Although using aluminum is more expensive and labor intensive than wood, it is also more durable and extremely strong thanks to the double weld process. The roof, sidewalls, and end walls are all vacuum bond laminated on site, helping to control the construction process from start to finish. In an added effort to be green, Azdel composite panels are used in the Geo Pro instead of Luan where possible. Azdel is lighter weight than Luan, won't absorb moisture, and because it is a green material, you don't get any off-gassing. Value-added construction continues inside the Geo Pro in the form of better built cabinetry. Where several manufacturers in this segment use staples to connect their styles, Geo Pro cabinets are assembled using pocket screws with pre-drilled holes for longer lasting and dependable cabinets. Now that you know how they're built, let's move on to some of the floor plans available. The Geo Pro lineup has a good variety of floor plans, starting with a toy hauler, which is pretty rare in this segment. The 16TH features all the amenities you love about the Geo Pro with an open garage floor plan that is 8 foot 8 inches long and 5 foot wide. Next up are the 12RK and 12SRK, which are meant to be a home base for the adventure enthusiast. These lightweight trailers have a bed or gaucho bed respectfully to sleep on and a kitchen to cook in. If you prefer a trailer with a bedroom but need to be under 2,500 pounds, then the 14FK and 15TB are for you. Both offer a large dinette area that drops down into a master bed, aiding in full utilization of every square inch in these shorter trailers. The 19FBS and 19QB both have slide-outs and queen beds, giving you some serious comforts in a travel trailer that is only 20 foot long. If you're looking for a family camper with more sleeping options, the 16BH and 19BH both have bunks, and the 17PR has an expandable bed. We've covered both construction and some floor plans. Now let's review some of the amenities and options that help set the Geo Pro apart. One of the things Geo Pro does very well is maximize the number of windows on the RV where possible. Where oftentimes you feel somewhat closed in while inside a smaller travel trailer, Geo Pros feel much more open thanks to the large and often numerous windows, with some floor plans even offering a front windshield. Speaking of open spaces, the Geo Pro was designed to get out and adventure and allows you to bring all of your gear with you. With the optional hitch-mounted bike rack and roof-mounted crossbars, you're able to bring your bikes and kayaks or other gear with ease. Add to this the optional off-road package with a lift kit and 15-inch Mud Rover tires, and you'll be able to handle the road less traveled to access your favorite remote camping spots or base camps. While in these more remote areas, you'll also enjoy the 100-watt roof-mounted solar panel with a 1,000-watt inverter standard. Plus, the Geo Pro comes standard with the Shower Miser water saver system to minimize fresh water waste and keep you on your adventure longer. So, if you're looking for a well-constructed, lightweight, and versatile RV that you can park in a campground or in the middle of the forest for your next adventure, then I'd strongly consider the Rockwood Geo Pro.